we can connect these points to form all the points that represent the miles driven and the cost of our truck rental. Here's what our graph would look like. And notice that the graph continues to increase up and to the right. Well, that's because I could drive more miles and my cost would continue to go up. But wait, there's something else going on here with this equation. If we switch these two terms around, then the equation becomes y equals 2x plus 20. This is an equation in slope-intercept form. So what's the slope and the y-intercept for this equation? Put your answers here.